BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 140 of season 3. Today's word is jeopardise. The meaning of jeopardise is put someone or something into a situation of loss, harm or failure, to pose a threat or to put in danger. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word jeopardise. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Jeopardise is spelled as Jeopardise. The word jeopardize means put someone or something into a situation of loss, harm or failure. For example, lack of proper planning can jeopardize the success of a new product launch. Isn't this an amazing and relevant example? Listen carefully how we can use the word jeopardize in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. The website of a prominent software company was hacked by cyber criminals. The directors of the company decided to implement stringent security measures because a repetition of such event would jeopardize the reputation of the company. Well, don't you agree with this? Moving on to example number 2 of 8. Joginder was participating in a prestigious athletic competition. On the eve of the competition, he decided to eat the famous street food in the city. The food caused him discomfort and it jeopardized his chances of winning the medal. Example number 3 of 8. Some countries are facing the menace, means danger of drugs. A large part of youth population is addicted to drugs there, and the government is worried that this will jeopardize the future of the country. Example number 4 of 8. The insurance agent requested his client to make premium payments on time. He also informed that delayed payments would jeopardize the benefits expected from the insurance policy. Do you know that over 3 lakh professionals, students and homemakers have learned to speak English fluently and confidently at BM English Speaking Institute? Log on to our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com for more information. Example number 5 of 8. The construction of a new dam was opposed by the environmentalists. They argued that this dam would jeopardize the wildlife present in that area. Moving on to example number 6 of 8. The healthcare auditors objected strongly to the use of obsolete equipment in the hospital. They warned that this could jeopardize the lives of the patients and requested the management to upgrade the same. Example number 7 of 8. Roshan had made it a practice to save the data of her project regularly on a backup disk. One day, when her laptop crashed, means stopped working, it did not jeopardize the project work because she could leverage the saved data. This example is an excellent food for thought for us. Remember to take a backup every time you save an important project. Now let us understand example number 8 of 8. The ruling party proposed a new tax to be levied on the textile industry. The opposition called this decision arbitrary. They felt that the tax will jeopardize the livelihood of the weavers and textile workers. Today we learnt the word jeopardize, which means put someone or something into a situation of loss, harm or failure, or to possess a threat or to put in danger. Can you frame 3 sentences with jeopardize and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to enrich your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 140 of 200 vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be uploading 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.